Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you know when new videos are coming out. I received a very special request from one of my subscribers to do a video on different hairstyles. Now, because of lockdown and COVID, I haven't really put my hair in different hairstyles. It's been a minute, but I am digging back into my different hairstyles that I used to use when I actually went outside for work and school. And I'm going to show you how a few of them are done in this video today. Key items needed are a curl cream, water bottle, bobby pins, comb, and hair ties. The very first hairstyle will be a twist into bun, and I am wetting my hair, the very front of it from the root to the ends, and I am also wetting the crown of my head. And I'm then going to apply a curl cream in those very same areas. If you have just washed your hair, you will want to use a leave-in oil and then a curl cream, but I have done this a few days ago, so now I'm just applying a curl cream to make sure that my hair stays moisturized and remains smooth in the style. Now you can use a comb to part your hair. I like to use my pinky nail, and I'm just parting my hair halfway back so I can start the twist in the front. Now to start the twist, I'm grabbing two sections of hair in the very front, right next to the part, and then I am going to twist one side over the other. And as I am doing so, I am grabbing more hair from my head with the piece that goes under. So every time I'm twisting my hair, I'm grabbing more hair as I go down the front of my head all the way past my ear. And as you can see here, I'm just smoothing my hair down and forward so that the hair that would most likely lay back, a lot of it is coming forward and being added to the twist. To make sure that the twist stays secure, I am going to use two bobby pins. I'm going to take one and push it up through the twist at the end. And then I am going to take the other and cross it the opposite way. So I'm going to take it down and across the pin, but also through the twist and grabbing any additional hair that was not grabbed by the first pin. Now I'm going to do the other side. I did brush my edges into this twist since there is more hair that will be left in the front. But then I do the same exact technique where I'm taking two strands of hair, twisting it, feeding hair into the twist as I go down, and taking it all the way to right behind the back of my ear, and then securing it with two bobby pins. Now I'm going to put it all into a bun. I'm smoothing my hair down into the area where I want to have the bun sit. I'm going to take a hair tie and just twist my hair with the hair tie, and then on that last twist, I'm not pulling my hair all the way through, and I'm just leaving it at the very end of the hair. Now I'm just using a toothbrush and a little bit of gel to get my edges in order, and that is it. I think this hairstyle is super cute for school, work, or every day, and also great for children because it holds those frizzy edges down. Next up is a pretty similar hairstyle. We are going to do a half down twist. So I am going to twist my hair a little bit differently. I'm not taking it as far back, but I am still going to wet my hair, and then I would apply the product. I'm just showing you where and how I would apply it if I was actually applying it again. And then I'm going to take the two sections again right at the part in the front of my head. And I'm taking the two sections and I am twisting it and feeding hair into it again all the way until I reach right above my ear just about. So a little bit closer to the front than I was before. And then I am going to secure this twist the very same way, where I am crisscrossing the bobby pins across the twist itself. And now I am just going to repeat these same steps on the other side of my head. This is another hairstyle that is very cute and simple to do for every day, work, school, leisure, whatever. But also another one if you are very active that helps to keep your hair in the front very nice and neat, which makes it again good for children. As always, I am finishing it off by making sure that my edges are nice and neat, and that is it. I love this hairstyle. I think it's super cute, and now we can move on to the next one. The next hairstyle takes this exact look, and I actually just part my hair further down the middle so that I have two buns in the back instead of one. Now that I have finished parting my hair, I am just smoothing one side into a ponytail. I'm using the same technique where I'm taking the hair tie, twisting it around my hair multiple times, and just not pulling it through completely on that last twist. And then I'm going to repeat the same process on the opposite side. This is a super cute hairstyle. I think it works very well for adults, but I think it is just adorable on children. And that is it. It's very quick and easy, and now we are ready to move on to the next hairstyle. We are going to do a bun with a bang. So I am going to wet the entire front side of my head and the back and apply product to both areas so that I am creating a very smooth and neat bun. And I am then going to part my hair. I like to keep my part on the very right side of my head. But if you like your part in a different area, then that is fine as well. And then I am going to section a small part of my hair in the front that I want to leave out for the bang. Now, I already had bangs cut about a year ago, but they have grown out, so the techniques that I am using will help to shorten that bang so that it is out of my face and help to make sure that the bang remains very neat and limits the amount of frizz in it. Now I'm just taking a very soft brush and brushing my hair to get some of those crinkles out from the curls to make sure that my hair goes into a ponytail very easily. And I am smoothing my hair up because I want my bun on the top of my head really close to where that part is. And I am grabbing my ponytail holder. I'm using a different ponytail holder for this one because I want the ponytail to be much tighter than it was for the other bun that I showed you previously with the twist. And I'm using that same technique to get the ponytail holder in my hair and to create the bun, but I am being very careful to not pull any hair from my bang into this ponytail holder. Now I just want to clean up the bun by taking the little bit of hair that is left out and swooping it to the back of the bun and using a bobby pin to secure it. Now technically, after you have secured your bun, you could be done here, but I want to show you a few ways that you can make your bangs a little bit curlier and make them last longer and also keep them from getting frizzy. The first way I will show you is just doing a 2-strand twist in your hair, and my hair is wet, so I am just twisting my hair all the way to the ends, and then once I reach the ends, I am going to do a finger coil so that it stays. I normally do this on just damp hair. I don't want my hair too wet because I normally would not use anything to dry it. I would leave it in for a few minutes and then it would dry on its own. Okay, and then after I have done that finger coil, I am just scrunching it up to create a little bit more hold. The second way is using a flexi rod, and I am twisting the hair as I wrap it around the flexi rod. And the third way, I am just going to do a simple finger coil. And for all of these, I would do it on damp hair. Each and every one of them, I don't want my hair to be very wet because I want it to dry very quickly. For the finger coiled section, I am grabbing my hair halfway down and then I am just wrapping the hair around my finger and pulling my finger down as I do it. And then at the end, I would just scrunch my hair up. Since my hair did get fairly wet during this tutorial doing all these hairstyles, I am going to use a diffuser to quickly dry my hair so I can show you the results. Once my hair is completely dry, I would need to unravel the 2-strand twist as well as take out the flexi rod. I apply oil to my fingers so that I'm not creating frizz as I am doing so, but I would take each one out and then afterwards I would scrunch the hair up. Now the finger coil, it's already doing its thing. I don't need to separate it or anything, just maybe give it a scrunch. Then just finishing it off by making the other side neat with a little bit of gel, and that is it. Here are the 3 different results using the 3 different techniques, which I love them all. It just depends on which look you are going for, but they all help to reduce frizz and make your curl last longer. And that is it. There is the hairstyle. I think it's very cute and one of my favorites. I hope that you enjoyed the hairstyles that I brought to you today in this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And again, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.